Hey everybody, this is Nyla and I'm back with Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you a 2003 Ford Mustang. It is a convertible, automatic transmission, black on black. Got about 105,000 miles on it, so not too many. It's got some nice wheels. Just doing a quick little walk around. I do have it started up right now, just doing kind of a conglomerate video. I'm gonna pop that hood while I have you on here, show you that engine bay. Then I will follow up with a video of how the top goes up and down. And also, we're gonna take it down the road, take it for a little drive, and then I show you the undercarriage. So I'm just right now doing a quick little walk around of the interior and exterior. Got the black leather in here. 105,000 miles, like I said. Automatic transmission. It's just beeping because I don't have a seatbelt on. But I just want to pop the hood here, show you the engine bay quickly. Alright, there we are. Let's take it for a ride. Alrighty, I got the 2003 Mustang. I'm gonna take it for a little spin down the road, see how she drives. And so far, so good. It is a little bit of an older car, but the steering is still super, super tight. It feels really good going down the road. Take this little bump here. Nice and quiet. Always a good sign. The AC is pumping super cold. The radio does work.
I'm working it.
And it is all the stock radio and all that. Feels really good. Everything's sounding and feeling good in this car. Great little cruiser, you know, dependable, and it's got the convertible, so best of both worlds. I'm gonna flip it around. I'll show you a video of the top going up and down, and then we will look at the undercarriage. Thanks so much. Alrighty, got the Mustang here. Just want to show you how easy the top goes up and down. You do have to set the parking brake for this one. You've got your open and close button right here. We're gonna go close. There it comes. Alright, just like that. And then you just kind of simply pull it in here. And there are two clamps here that you're going to latch. I'm just doing it one-handed, so I can't quite get it right this second. But you do have to just pull it down just a little bit, close that gap, and latch it in.